Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As y'all can see, I have my hair done. It's completely different than normal and I absolutely love it. This video is sponsored by Annabelle, and I used their hair for my first sew-in, and I'm kind of feeling myself right now. So this weekend, if you see me going like this a lot, or you know all in the camera, that's why. I used a 20-inch closure and 3 different bundles. It was a 22-inch, a 20-inch, and an 18-inch. I got the hair extremely fast in the mail. I ordered it on like a Wednesday, I believe, and it came by Monday. So that was extremely fast. And the company was extremely helpful in helping me pick my hair and questions I had about it. If you have never had a sew-in and you are thinking about it, I would 100% recommend this hair. It's extremely soft. My mom and my cousin actually felt it and they were like, oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's hardly any shedding. And yeah, it's extremely thick and it's long and it's clean, and I love this hair. And I'm going to give you all a 360. You can see how long it is. Well, I can't go all the way around, but y'all see how long it is. I'm just letting y'all know now, like in this weekend's video, I'm about to be swinging and flinging my hair. And my mama already told me how in my videos I'm always like, going like this and stuff. So mama, I'm sorry in advance. I love you, girl, but I'm feeling myself. No. So if you like this hair, you can get it and click on the link in the description box below. And yeah, let's get into this video. Hey you guys, I'm in the car with, hey Victoria, say hey. You're heading to Kansas City right now, and we are going skydiving indoors, and I'm really excited. I had never done it before, but you have. How was it?
It was super fun. It's like a lot of adrenaline, a lot of wind to the face, but it's very freeing. Makes you feel very free.
Yeah,
I love it.
Yeah, I'm excited for it. And next year, when we turn 30, we're gonna do the real thing. We're gonna hop out of a plane next year. So this is getting us ready for that, because I'm already nervous about next year. So
yeah,
hope we don't die. Let me know you speak that to existence.
Right, to update my wheel.
Right, right. Shoot. But yeah, so we are yeah, we have about another like hour and a half or so left. Yeah, so next time you see us, we'll be up in the air flying. So I'm excited. Stay tuned. We have arrived in Kansas City, y'all. And if you read the sign, indoor skydiving, it's about to go down. Hopefully I can carry my my camera in there. We gonna see, but usually at these places they try to make all the money they can, so that I might not be able to, but I'm gonna try to get y'all in there with me so y'all can experience it too. We going indoor skydiving in KC. Turn up, turn up, turn up. Are you ready, Victoria?
You know.
Corey, guys. What's up? Yeah, he gonna be high and high 2 with us, so yeah, we're all gonna be up in there. So here's my outfit, super baggy because I'm extremely tall as a female. So I'm excited though. Look at them. You didn't see that? We are geared up, y'all. I'm about to go in. Every time I put the camera on you, you doing something goofy. Yeah, you ready, Corey? Let's go. Let go. So I'm all done. I know I probably look crazy. I have to comb my hair out so y'all wouldn't see me looking crazy, y'all. That wind was no joke. Why wasn't I focusing? There we go. That wind was no joke, but got my flight certificate. I'm legit. So now I can, like, you know, go and flip and, you know, twirl, live my best life in the air. I'm crazy, y'all already know though. So now, what's the plan now? Check in our hotel. Yeah, our hotel now. Yeah, 'cause we hungry. So we are downtown Kansas City. It's a cute little area. It's like a lot of, like, you know, shops and and restaurants and stuff. I was like, I have to come back here with a bag. It's sexy out here. We're gonna eat at the Cheesecake Factory. I literally have not eaten all day, so I'm about to like smash. Hopefully it's not a long wait. Look like it's a long wait. Everybody's sitting out here. Hope the wait's not long. Oh, it's gonna be packed. So many people here, y'all. Like, like it's folks waiting inside and outside.
I thought we go shopping.
Yeah, we're gonna go shopping in the meantime because it's Forever 21 and it's a lot of it's a lot of stores around here, so y'all gonna see all the people. It's a lot. I love cheesecake though. If y'all ever want to give me anything, all you have to give me is a slice of cheesecake, and I love you forever.
You want me to go off for you?
It's nice though. Yeah, I thought it would be like at least an hour because there was so many folks, but that's not bad. Now we're about to head in to Forever 21 because Victoria left her earrings at the skydiving place. So we have to get her some earrings. I had so much fun skydiving though. Like, I lost my breath at first. I had to remind myself to breathe. I was like, wait a minute, I'm about to pass out in the air. So I had to like breathe. Accessories. This is the big Forever 21. I can remember holding it up sometimes. I always be holding it all up on my chin. Where are the accessories? Oh, I think they're over here. Oh, y'all see them over here. To find her some cute earrings. Oh, I can show y'all my outfit that I wore. This is the outfit I wore skydiving. Indoor skydiving. Nice and cute. Okay, so I'm about to blame Victoria because I got a candy and I was not gonna get candy, but since we came into Forever 21 and since Victoria made me come in here and made me buy these, I mean, I have to eat them now.
Bad willpower.
I really do. It's just if you look at all the colors and they're so enticing, like they just say eat me, so I gotta eat them. Oops. I got the Cajun jambalaya and she got the lemon herb chicken. About to smash. I don't even have time to talk. Bye. So as you can see, we are in the hotel room now. I just like, you know, showered and I'm ready to go out. I was going to bring my camera, but I was like, I don't want to carry it the whole night. I just want to have fun. So y'all might not, well, actually it's not a might not, y'all just not gonna get any film of me going out. I'm sorry, I love y'all, but I just don't feel like holding the camera. Yeah, my curls have come out a little bit, well actually a lot because it was like real curly and on it. Now it's not, it's okay though. But I have no makeup on. Yeah, I'm just going real natural tonight. No curls, no makeup, just a little bit of makeup under my eyes and stuff, whatever. But I was just tired of wearing makeup, the curls out, but we still cute tonight, so it's all that matters. We cute. We cute, we cute, we cute, we cute. So yeah. But here's my outfit though. If y'all see my outfit, it's a little bodysuit. A cute little bodysuit. Has some jeans. And I'm gonna have on my heels. So that's the outfit. So I'm just going real natural tonight and yeah. Bye.